In this episode we arrive finally into the Spain. We already fixing something. We go to the Miami beach, we have some fun, and we will save a little bit of planet. Better a life of oops than a life of what if. That's why 2 years ago we traded normal life for a life on the road with 5 kids. So finally we arrived to the Spain and we took the first beach to enjoy our wonderful beach day. We have been in this beach last year also, and now we are again here a little bit less than 1 year later. So meeldib siin või? Yeah, he like it. What are you thinking? Go to the water! So this is our first stop in Spain, and you're already fixing something.
Not fixing, rebuilding.
Rebuilding something. Something with electricity and battery. He's fixing this so we can use our new thing. How do you say this thing in English? Induction oven. So we don't have to spend our gas, we can spend the free electricity. So we will test it soon. But now it's time to move on. A better beach, at least we hope so. But we don't know until we arrive there. We haven't been there before. But of course, we get a little bit of traffic and everything takes time in Spain. It is so good to start your day in this kind of nice beach. The weather is perfect, the view is perfect, and you can just enjoy and do your yoga together with your 5 kids, and they are enjoying it also. A lot of people are asking us, what are we doing then the rest of the day? We are walking around. We are just enjoying the promenade, enjoying the view. Maybe we'll find another playground. There we found it, but I don't know did I record it or not. But yeah, This is what we do. The older ones are maybe learning and say, oh yeah, we found another playground. But what about the old ones? The old ones are right now they're with us, but usually they're also making their school things inside the motorhome or in the beach, wherever they like to do that. A nice day in the beach, we decided we are going to walk around a little bit. Okay, girls was roller skating. Yeah, it's the correct one, roller skating. But we was just wanted to see around the Miami beach a little bit. And accidentally we arrived to the open market. It was very nice open market. It was extremely windy and all the garbage was flying around, but the market was good, but we didn't have any money with us to buy something. We had only €5, and later we decided we buy 5 apples, and we paid like €3 to buy 5 apples. It was the most expensive apples what we ever bought in our trip journeys. So yeah, but the market was nice. Kids are trying to catch the plastics that are flying around because of this market there. Every time when the big wind is coming, then the huge amount of plastic is just flying like that. Now the kids are trying to collect them. So they collect the bag, this one, and they're collecting there a lot of things, and some of them are running still. Every time when the wind is coming, then we get the new things to collect. Today we are saying goodbye to our few days home, the Miami beach. So we are in Miami and we are moving on. We need to refill our gas, we need to refill our water, we need to go to the store, and then we will see what is coming next. This beach is very nice. There is a few playground. It's a very long beach walk you can take here. There is a very beautiful nice houses around where nobody basically live, at least this time. In summertime it's definitely different. There is a few restaurants open and it's extremely quiet, what is very good. There is some motorhomes also after us. There is around like 10 motorhomes parking, and every day somebody's going, somebody new is coming. So it's a very nice, very quiet place. The kids can have a lot of fun here, and we definitely come back here if we come back to the Spain. You see, there is some motorhomes. We are in the front, so we have the best view of the day. But at the end, it is a very nice place. It's very quiet, and you can see there is some motorhomes, but all the houses are quite empty and no movements, like a little ghost house. I like this one there, this house there. It's very beautiful. It will be nice in the summertime, but in the summer if they come, they still mostly sit inside because outside is too hot. Yeah, but we are saying goodbye and move on.